Protesters took action the minute Senate GOP leadership released their version of the health care bill.
No cuts to Medicaid!
Over 70 disabled people blocked Mitch McConnell's office, voicing strong opposition against Medicaid cuts in the proposed bill. Capitol Police first asked people to stop demonstrating, then began arresting and carrying away those who refused. Not many Republicans have strongly supported the bill as it stands, but they say it's a start.
I'm really glad we have a bill now to look at. Now the hard work starts, but it's a really good beginning to that process, and we need to move quickly because the Obamacare system is failing around us.
The pressure is on to get a repeal and replace bill passed as a growing number of insurance companies announce plans to pull out of Obamacare exchanges. Right now, some counties in Missouri, Ohio, Indiana, and Washington will have zero health care options in the Obamacare markets next year.
Obamacare is a direct attack on the middle class, and American families deserve better than its failing status quo.
In addition to Medicaid cuts, the bill's first draft includes ending Obamacare's penalties for individuals who do not enroll in a health care plan and defunding Planned Parenthood. It differs with the House version in a few places, such as providing income-based tax credits to give some financial support to people with lower incomes. The measure also does away with waivers that would allow insurance companies to raise premiums on people with pre-existing conditions. Democrats are strongly opposed to what Senator Mark Warner says shouldn't even be referred to as a health care bill.
For a long time, you had one side just say repeal, you had one side say don't change a word, and now we've got this effort that seems to be geared, it's more about, it appears at least, it's more about trying to say they repealed Obamacare than actually fixed health care, and I think that's disappointing.
Warner told CBN he wants to see both parties come together to fix health care.
I think a number of my Republican colleagues at least privately agree. I think they saw that, when the Democrats tried to write a big health care bill just with Democrats, it didn't end up being a very good policy. If they try to write it just with Republicans, I think they're going to have maybe a bad result.
With no Democratic support, Senate Republicans can only afford 2 votes against it, and there are already more than that. Senators Rand Paul, Mike Lee, Ted Cruz, and Ron Johnson released a statement saying they are not ready to vote for the bill, but are open to negotiation. President Trump tweeted that he is very supportive of the Senate health care bill and looks forward to making it really special.
We will hopefully get something done, and it'll be something with heart and very meaningful.
Senate GOP leaders hope to bring the measure to the floor for a vote before the July 4th recess. Reporting from Capitol Hill, Abigail Robertson, CBN News.